So welcome back to the channel. I did a video probably about a couple weeks ago. I actually did two videos on a Trail Boss and a Rebel. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys the acceleration that I did in that video. I'm going to pretty much put the videos side by side so you can see the acceleration. Now full disclosure, you'll see that the Chevy does accelerate a little bit quicker, but that's only because I forgot to disable the stop start function, unfortunately. Aww. But it's okay because with the Ram having the 392 versus the 323 with the Silverado, it did catch back up, and it has more horsepower as well, so that's going to obviously make a difference. But hopefully in time, maybe when I get back to Maryland, maybe I'll do another test with an acceleration, and maybe I can try to see about finding some owners who have these trucks. That way we can maybe go to drag strip or to Mexico or something like that. But let's go ahead and get into the video. I wanted to just give you guys just a basis point, but you'll see the trucks here in the video obviously, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Here we go. Not bad.